Today, I'm going to talk about the benefits of eating garlic for men in particular. Do you eat garlic regularly? Garlic is one of the top kitchen staples and is found in a wide variety of dishes. It has a strong, distinct flavor that improves the taste of a delicacy as well as enhances its nutritional value. Men in particular would benefit greatly from this spice. For starters, garlic contains minerals and vitamins like magnesium, selenium, and vitamin C, which are all essential factors to sexual health. You may be wondering, does garlic's sexual benefits include enhanced sexual drive? What about a more serious problem like erectile dysfunction? Continue watching to know the answers to those. Later on, you will also learn some extra information that you'll surely find helpful when it comes to overcoming erectile dysfunction. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Garlic benefits for men. Number 1. Garlic raises sperm count. Garlic contains numerous components that are beneficial to sperm count. First off, there's S-allylcysteine, a compound found in garlic, which was then found to increase testosterone production in a recent mice study. Also, it turned out that the antioxidants in garlic don't just help prevent chronic diseases, but may also help in improving sexual health and fertility. Based on one review of 18 studies, it was concluded that garlic helped increase sperm production and testosterone levels, possibly due to its antioxidant properties. The phytochemicals in garlic reduce oxidation effects on sperm and improve their quality. Moreover, garlic has a lot of allicin and selenium, which both act as antioxidants. The functions of allicin are to improve blood flow in the sexual organs and to prevent sperm damage. Meanwhile, selenium helps with motility. Fresh garlic and aged garlic extract are loaded with antioxidants. You may also take an antioxidant supplement to increase sperm count, but for the best results, it's best to consume garlic raw. Consider eating a clove or two per day. Has your libido taken a dive lately? The good thing about garlic is that it works in dealing with such a problem too. Number 2. Garlic boosts sexual drive. Garlic offers a ton of medicinal benefits, but it's also great for increasing your sexual drive. The key player in this is allicin, a compound that boosts blood circulation to the sexual organs in both men and women. Researchers discovered that garlic acts as an aphrodisiac that increases sexual desire in men by helping surge the blood flow to their sexual organs. That said, this doesn't take effect overnight. Instead, you must take a small amount of garlic every day for about a month before you can reap its remarkable benefits, such as increased libido. The main takeaway here is that, yes, garlic is beneficial in raising sexual drive. It is especially good for older men who experience decreased libido or nervous tension. In fact, research also suggests that eating garlic facilitates testosterone production. Boosting sexual drive is amazing, sure, but guess what's even more impressive? It is the fact that, number 3, garlic treats erectile dysfunction. As previously mentioned, garlic aids in improved blood vessel function and increased blood circulation, which may be useful in treating issues such as erectile dysfunction in men. As per research, eating garlic is good for treating erectile dysfunction, ED, for many reasons. For starters, research suggests that garlic extracts stimulate the production of nitric dioxide in the body, a chemical compound that works as a vasodilator in the penis. This means that nitric dioxide boosts blood flow toward the penis by activating the cell membrane. Thereby, garlic helps treat erectile dysfunction. Another way is through the use of polysulfides, which garlic is quite abundant of. Polysulfides activate the production of hydrogen sulfide or H2S in the body. This H2S relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure, thus promoting heart health. Cardiovascular disease and hypertension are the leading risk factors for ED. So, in a roundabout way, garlic can help with erectile dysfunction. Fertility is a huge deal for many men, if not all. Garlic is a good natural remedy for this. Number 4, garlic enhances fertility. Environmental factors like pollution can negatively affect male reproductive organs and sperm density. This is where garlic cloves come in, acting as a medicinal herb to enhance male fertility. On top of that, it's also effective at treating the early stages of impotence. Furthermore, as per research, garlic consumption enhances the testicular functions of the body. Thanks to the selenium present in garlic, it aids in sperm production and by extension enhances male fertility. An animal study shows that eating garlic regularly increases the secretion of the testosterone hormone in the body. Sexual benefits aside, garlic is also excellent at one thing that countless men strive to achieve these days, and that is to, number 5, Garlic improves physical fitness. Garlic isn't just a kitchen staple, but turns out to be one of the earliest performance enhancers available. Its usage goes way back to the olden days to alleviate weariness and improve laborers' working hours and endurance. As a matter of fact, it was also eaten by Greek Olympic athletes to amplify their athletic performance. Moreover, garlic is good for overall health, and a healthy body and heart are key to keeping you fit. How to use garlic to maximize its benefits. Men can eat 3 to 4 cloves of raw garlic daily. Since it doesn't taste the best when eaten alone, I suggest drinking it with milk or honey. Crush 1 to 2 garlic cloves and mix them with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Then take it on an empty stomach for maximum benefit. Nevertheless, it is important to remember that eating garlic is a natural remedy, so you won't be able to notice significant changes overnight. For best results, eat garlic every day for 2 to 3 months to maximize its benefits. In addition to the significant roles garlic plays in men's sexual health, garlic is also very rich in medicinal properties. Boosting the body's immune system is one of its many healthy benefits. Stay tuned to know more. Why everyone should start eating garlic now. Number 1, garlic helps boost your body's immune system. A strong immune system keeps you from getting sick. It also aids in fighting against illness when necessary. Garlic is a good immune system booster. In particular, it helps treat respiratory diseases from mild ones like colds and the flu to acute diseases like tuberculosis and pneumonia. Adults who eat raw garlic regularly can gain protection against cough, fever, and cold illnesses. Aim to consume 2 garlic cloves each day to fight off common colds and coughs. For tuberculosis, add 1 gram of garlic to 1 liter of water and 240 milliliters milk. Boil it till 1/4 of the mixture remains and drink this thrice a day. Garlic contains antibiotic powers that help ear infections and many more, but more on that coming up. For now, let's talk about how this native spice promotes heart health. Number 2, garlic helps reduce high blood pressure. Strokes and heart attacks are among the top health concerns worldwide. High blood pressure is a risk factor for heart disease and is thought to cause about 70% of strokes, heart attacks, and chronic heart failure. What's more, high blood pressure is the cause of 13.5% of deaths worldwide. Garlic is an excellent spice to include in the diet of those suffering from high blood pressure. You can also opt to take garlic supplements and still reap the benefits like low blood pressure, reduced fever, and many more. Just make sure that the amount of these supplements is equivalent to 4 garlic cloves each day. What's one thing you can do to promote heart health? Easy. Eat more garlic, and doing so will. Number 3, garlic helps reduce cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a fatty component in the blood. It's categorized into 2 kinds: the good HDL cholesterol and the bad LDL cholesterol. Far too much LDL cholesterol and insufficient level of HDL cholesterol can lead to serious health problems. Garlic has been found to lower total cholesterol and LDL levels by 10 to 15%. On the other hand, eating garlic does not influence your HDL or good cholesterol levels. If you suffer from heart disease or have a family history of heart disease, you should consider adding garlic to your diet. Garlic's health benefits go beyond just the heart. It also helps prevent cancer. As to how it does this, find out next. Number 4, garlic can help with the prevention of cancer. Another reason to get an extra dose of this garlic is to prevent one of the deadliest diseases in the world, cancer. According to research, consuming fresh garlic can help reduce the risk of colon cancer. Also, according to the Iowa Women's Health Study, women who ate garlic regularly with other vegetables and fruits had a 35% lower chance of getting colon cancer. Garlic is just one of the many foods that offer an array of health benefits. There are also what experts call superfoods to enhance your overall health, but more on that in a while. Number 5, garlic has antibiotic properties. I've mentioned many times how garlic contains allicin. Allicin, before acting in the role of an antioxidant, is first a bioactive antibiotic. It helps fight infections and bacteria. Garlic extracts have been shown to suppress the growth of fungi elements, protozoa elements, viral infections, and numerous bacteria. A great manifestation of the antibiotic powers of garlic is in the face of ear infections. Research says that garlic's antibacterial properties prevent the growth of bacteria in the ear canal and help treat ear infections. To treat an ear infection or ear pain, simply wrap a small clove of garlic in tissue paper and put it in your ear. Looking for a quick, cheap way to detox your body? Eat garlic cloves. Number 6, garlic helps detox your body. In the world we live in today, everyone is exposed to a wide range of chemicals and compounds daily. This includes pesticides and chemicals used in agriculture, radiation from nuclear plants, personal care products containing chemicals, household cleaners, and other household products. Many of those things are not healthy and may even be dangerous to the body. Detoxification is the process of getting rid of such things from the body. Consuming garlic in high doses has been discovered to detoxify your body. It also provides other important detoxifying components, such as multiple bioactive selenium and sulfur compounds. Food alternatives for treating erectile dysfunction. Garlic is highly beneficial to men in the sex department. That said, not everyone is a big fan of this food. Fortunately, some alternatives can also improve your erection capacity. Personally, some of these foods are part of my regular diet, and I think you'll enjoy them too. These are as follows: avocados, olive oil, cayenne pepper, tomatoes, fenugreek, dark chocolate. My favorite alternatives are tomatoes and olive oil. What about you? Drop your answers in the comments section below. Changing up your lifestyle a bit also goes a long way in fighting erectile dysfunction. Here are a few tips I can share with you. Number 1, get enough sleep for at least 8 hours every day. Number 2, free up some time to indulge in stress-relieving activities that you enjoy. Number 3, give up smoking and excessive drinking of alcohol. Number 4, keep your body weight in check to avoid health complications. Number 5, exercise regularly to strengthen your reproductive system and maintain the overall fitness of your body. Now that I have discussed the health benefits of garlic, you can take the first step to a healthier, better you. To do that, start by incorporating superfoods into your diet. Click here to learn what these foods are.